So this month I read 3 books and I would recommend the third one the most. The first one is called What a Way to Go by Bella Mackie. This book is about a wealthy protagonist, Anthony, who gets murdered on the night of his 60th birthday. The fascinating thing about the book is that the crime is being solved via the perspective of the dead protagonist. This is completely new to me as against all the detective novels that I have read previously. And it has kept me hooked till the end with all the twists and turns. So definitely worth a read. The second book that I read was Cleopatra and Frankenstein by Coco Mellors. This book did demand my patience at times. So this explores the relationship between Frank and Cleo, who have a very large age gap of 20 years. The author explores the difference in their upbringing, their friend circle, their career ambitions, and how they gradually become distant in their relationship. I liked the ending of the book, and I felt that both Cleo and Frank got what they needed and not exactly what they wanted, which is somewhat what happens to all of us in life. The third book, and the one that I enjoyed the most, is The Anthropologist. And why I recommend it is because it is perfect for somebody like me who enjoys the small things in life, who cherishes the everyday aspect of living life. It's about a couple who actually tries and searches for an apartment that they want to move into, and in the process the book explores their relationship with each other, their relationship with their friends, their neighbors, their families back home, and how it all changes gradually and silently, and how they are coping with it. So it's really beautiful. The initial few chapters go into trying to understand the complex characters, but once you get a hang of it, it's really a book that will stay with you for a long time. Thank you. Take care.